Okay, so it is the end of the day. I didn't really get to do much. I'm really excited because I guess tomorrow we're going to go into the spa room and I don't know, practice. So yeah, it was a pretty good day. We do have a wedding coming up next weekend, I believe. And then I have a bridal trial on Friday and I think Saturday. I just need to message back my bride the address. I plan on doing some homework, finishing up probably my workbook. It looks like it's not a very long chapter, so I'm sure I can knock it out. I ordered some things as well off of Amazon last night, mostly because I'm trying to get faster at doing makeup, and so I realized that my foundation pumps are really not helping me with that. I don't know what it is. They're supposed to be vacuum pumps, so they're supposed to help kind of get all the product out, and it should work fine, but it doesn't work fine. So I bought some squeezable ones and I'm gonna switch them out for those. I did measure if they're gonna fit, and they do, so that's good, because I still have to return stuff that I didn't measure that doesn't fit in my kit. And I think I ordered some tackle boxes again to try to put my disposables and stuff in. And I think I got something else, but I can't remember. So these are the squeezy bottles that I got at Amazon, and they feel pretty good. The cap I'm a little concerned about, but I think I'll be okay with it because I'm not going to put them upside down. My plan is to leave them right side up. But the container itself feels like a good squeeze. It's not too flimsy and it's not too hard. But I just finished basically putting all these pumps into these little containers. The only thing that sucks is okay, so these started working, of course, once I'm trying to get rid of them. But my dumbass accidentally mixed two foundations in this one. So I'm a little bummed about that, so I'm going to keep this original one because I know that this pump is going to work, but there's this one that's a little bit of an in-betweener, so now I feel like I can't get rid of this because this one's mixed with this. So, we're learning, we're making mistakes, but we learn from them. Don't ask me how long this took me to do because I don't want to talk about it. My finger hurts. And now I'm going to put them in my kit. I know they're the perfect height. They're perfectly meet the top of it. But we're just going to go through my kit and see what else I can kind of just shrink down a little bit. My plan is probably to take some of my lipsticks and depot them into one of these or the smaller ones and go from there. I've got this little container. It fits my products just right. It definitely did not leave any wiggle room, but oh my gosh, you know what, people, I hope clients understand that there's a lot of care that comes behind all of the stuff we do for them. For example, I'm fighting a piece of plastic right now, trying to cut this little wing out because I thought it might be able to come out. It does not. And I'm doing all this just so I can hopefully have my kit condensed so I can be faster for my freaking clients. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna get this out.
Well, you need to cut.
It looks cute. I just cut up some lashes to see how the whole lash trick works, and it's pretty good actually, so I'm gonna fill these up. I just finished putting stuff together, and even though it takes such a long time, it's so rewarding. By the way, I'm trying out a lipstick right now. It's the Maybelline Vinyl lip, and it's pretty darn comfortable. So I think I'm gonna have to give this a whirl on one of my days off and see what I think of it, but I really like it. I think I might get some different colors for my kit. This one's obviously mine because I put my mouth on it, but look how pretty. And okay, pay no mind, but nothing once you let it dry, nothing. It is like slightly tacky, like as if you had a lip gloss on that's a little sticky, but it's not bad. Anyway, I wanted to share with you guys how everything's looking so far. Okay, so right here, I took the labels that were originally on my little pumps and I put it on the tops of these to kind of save a sticker. And then I put a little side sticker on each one of these. So that took forever, but I was able to get them on these squeezy bottles. This is from the last time I label made. These are new. I got... So the lashes look great. If anything, I could put way more in here, which is so exciting. I'm so happy about this because I'm so freaking happy that all my disposables are in one spot. Then we've got my spray over here. New thing that I did was I actually took all these MAC paint pots, which are kind of bulky in packaging, and I took these clamshells I have and put them in this container. And then I have my Auric Beauty Glow Lust, my primer, skincare, and I put my skincare as well in these little clamshells to kind of save space. And then this has just got to be glue hair gel. Added a few more lipsticks to my collection. I'm so excited. I love this little thing. I really want to go back to his store and buy more of these. My wallet just is telling me no, I'm not allowed to, but look at them. These are ColourPop lipsticks. This is Velvet Teddy. So the big ones, the mini lipstick bullet of Velvet Teddy filled up basically 2 of these. So a lot less being used in these, but you've got Honey Love, Cosmo, Yash, I think that might be Mare. I think that's Modesty. I got Pink Blossom. I got Please Me. And then I believe this shade is... that's Faux. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I got a bunch of new lipsticks from the 21 Days of Beauty right here. So I decided to put them in this little case. And now I have all these lipsticks literally in the palm of my hand, and it is fantastic. Totally recommend his stuff. Love the packaging, just love how it's clear, love how if I had a thinner label maker I could, you know, label the top, but I already know this is my lip products. But yeah, look, I have lips, lashes, disposables, foundations, powders. I just need to... I haven't figured out a system for my concealers. I still just use the original packaging for those. But literally skin prep and primers are all right here. So like, look how much space I have now. And then let alone just this, which I can put lip liners in and call it a day. So this is really awesome. And then of course I have my brush pack over here. And I have all my cling brushes I need to put in here. And then I bought another pack of 12 of these clear binder things because they're fantastic and I can use those to separate brushes for clients or whatever. And yeah, so everything's looking great right now. I feel very accomplished. Even though I feel like maybe it doesn't look the prettiest, I still feel very accomplished. Y'all, this traffic today is just beautiful. I don't know why, but it's great. Let's keep it up. Although I don't know why, but for the past 2 days I have been a ball of anxiety. Like yesterday I was a ball of anxiety. Today, like, I just started driving and I have like a pit in my stomach. I did like a little, oh well, all right. Anyway, I was gonna say I had a cute braid today, but 3rd day hair. Anyway, so I'm about to pull into school, so I will talk to you guys later. So it is the end of the day. Thank God. I'm ready to go home. I do have an appointment with Maddie to go check out her studio and, you know, get a little tour. I'm really excited. We had this planned like last week, so it's exciting to finally get to be doing it. To me, I just have always really, like for the past year, I've been really wanting to have like a professional studio space to have clients come to and, you know, take care of them there rather than be at my home. Just because I know some people feel uncomfortable with that. And, you know, like, just overall just professional level as well. I think the bride that I'm doing tomorrow, I believe she is kind of more on like the natural side. I'm a sucker for some natural bridal makeup, you know, so I'm all down for it. Okay, so I'm just kind of running errands today, and I got a little in trouble in Dollar Tree. Do I need to buy all this? No. But did I buy some stuff that will help me with meal preps and maybe my kit? Yes. So I find it a reasonable reason to have bought it. So I checked out that studio. I ended up loving it. I'm definitely going to be working out of there now. I have a bridal shower today and tomorrow, but I had the first one, as in today, I was going to have it at her studio because I found out that it was free for me to use today. But my bride is scheduling her hair and makeup to be done today so she can kind of get the full look with it. But I guess she feels like it's too much driving, so she's asking if I can basically come see her. Hopefully I'll get to use it maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna see if I can. But went to the dollar store, picked up some stuff for my kit. Picked up this container there, which it's actually pretty big. It was for $5. And I'm gonna see if I could start putting my like disposables, like my restocking stuff in there, like my little bags and the lip brushes and stuff like that in here. There's this brand called Ioni over there, and I've been really wanting to try out some of their stuff, so I picked up a few lashes, and actually individual lashes, to see how they work. I bought this just out of pure curiosity, but it's like a nail polish applicator. You put it on the top of the brush. Just bought some more 70% alcohol for disinfecting because I'm already going through mine really quick. And then I saw this makeup brush cleaner, and it says quick drying and everything. It's literally like water, alcohol, another alcohol, and something else. So I'm kind of curious to see how well this works. Got these organizer baskets. They're like the perfect height for my kit, but I'm gonna see how well these kind of work in here, because if so, then I can get rid of some of those foam pieces and start really separating everything and organizing. Hopefully I can go to the studio soon so I can show you guys how cute of a studio it is. All right, so I am on my way to my bride. Hopefully, if the traffic is great, I should be there around 5. She's about an hour away, to be honest. She's currently at her mother's house, and her grandmother will be there too, so I didn't want to look too bummy in front of them. It's a bit heavy. I mean, for me it's not too heavy, but it might be perceived as heavy for everybody else, so hopefully they don't mind the makeup. But my bride wants to do something natural. She doesn't wear a whole lot of makeup, something simple, so we're gonna go, and you know, my plan is to kind of talk to her about her wedding venue and her color scheme and like the bridesmaids and what she's doing, and I'll be seeing what her hair looks like. I'm really proud of myself. I didn't get a chance to show y'all, but my kit, I think like I got everything in one kit, which is great. And then I have my makeup brush bag, so I'm really excited, and my kit feels pretty light, which is nice. Hopefully everything goes well. I think it will, but yeah, I'm excited, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm finally back in my room, and I am basically just going ahead, starting to sanitize everything, clean everything, and then putting together her chart. It turned out pretty well, I think. I think we came up with a really pretty look. I'll put over here, if I can, a video of how it ended up all looking. A really like kind of smart thing I think I did. I took this plastic bag, and I started putting all of the brushes in here that I used. And, you know, then I put the lip liner and the brow product in here too, so I knew which ones I needed to disinfect so I didn't accidentally put it in there and not clean it. But I put it all in this bag, so then I know exactly what brushes I used for her too. And the reason why I say that is because whenever I go to do the bride and then along with her party, if anything, I can literally have all of these reserved in a bag and just be dedicated to the bride. Like, this is everything I need for the bride's look kind of thing. So I feel like I used my noodle. I'm a little proud of myself. Maybe it's not that big of an achievement, but I think it was pretty darn good. I was trying out that new vinyl lip from Maybelline. And it came off really well. I mean, it definitely came off when I ate food, but it came off nicely, which is kind of nice. And it felt really good actually to wear. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later.